You see, God doesn't call us to be perfect. He calls us to obedience. It's not good enough to just hear the word. You got to do it. Stand your feet all up over this place. You see, because if we continue to walk in obedience, obedience will become second nature. And when obedience becomes second nature, it becomes easy to obey when it's hard to obey. When obedience becomes second nature, it's easy to follow Jesus when it's hard to follow Jesus. And I don't know what the future holds, but boy, it wouldn't surprise me if at some point during our lifetime it becomes hard to follow Jesus. Wouldn't surprise me if at some point in our children or our grandchildren's lifetime it becomes hard in our culture to follow Jesus. And so we better be doing it now.